Hi, Peter. I was just going to illustrate the collect function in the discussion area to show you that it can be relatively quick. So I'll just go to the introductions because there's a lot of them there, 64. And I'm going to click everything, or select everything, I should say, and then the collect function right here is going to list everything from top to bottom. And you can pretty quickly scroll down and just read everything that's there. So I've never had any difficulty in terms of the manual grading as far as the amount of time. I could run through a discussion board with 30 postings, in just a few minutes, because it's not the kind of thing where I was trying to painstakingly grade it. Hopefully that helps. And what I would do as far as questions, I would go ahead like here where it says personal information or personal introductions. I'd go ahead and open that up. And then, hit the wrong button, sorry. Meant to hit edit. And just open that area, and then you can add your questions down here, do editing wherever we listed the discussion forums down below, and then post the question there. And then, of course, since we didn't say anything about it in the syllabus, you'd want to go back to announcements and, add an announcement there to let them know that they should go ahead and answer that if they want extra credit. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.